G'day guys, this is our new Aussie King Cobra Class A 5000 PSI diesel trailer jetter. This is a Class A drain jetter under Australian and New Zealand safety standard for high pressure water jetting. It means operator does not require RTO certification. However, it's a powerful 5000 PSI drain jetter. You must take safety precautions. This machine comes with our Aussie Safe Jetting manual. Please go through this manual for safety precaution. We put 2 stickers for PPE and work instruction. It's a work smart, stay safe and Aussie Safe Jetting instruction. However, I'll go through with this machine to show you how to operate this machine safely. So make sure the operator has the eye protection, ear protection, hand gloves for hand protection, and safety shoes for leg protection. First of all, you need to fill the 200-litre water tank. To fill that tank, unlock your supply hose reel lock and connect your supply hose to the tap. Make sure your tap is always on and make sure your water tank is full. Don't worry about overfilling the tank because the tank's got a float switch. It will cut the supply when the water level reach up to this point. The engine is electric start. Before you start the engine, make sure the battery lead's connected to the battery. Open your supply ball valve on and now you're ready to turn your engine on. Make sure it's got plenty of diesel in the diesel tank. Unlock your hose reel. Make sure your high pressure ball valve is in on condition. And you can start your engine now. Make sure you hold the end of the hose on the ground. Once you have started your engine and your high pressure ball valve is off, that means your machine is running under bypass mode. You can leave engine running in a bypass mode for extended period. It will circulate the water inside the tank. Now you're ready to put the nozzle on your high pressure drain jetting hose. Aussie 7-piece nozzle box comes with a variety of nozzles, like Predator penetrator for penetrating inside the blockages, turbine root mulcher for cutting roots and clearing hard blockages, negotiator for flushing pipes, and the small nozzles for tight bands. Now, high pressure drain jetting hose got a quick coupler at the end. Pull the collar back to put the nozzle. Push the nozzle until you hear the sound of click. Make sure your nozzle is locked by turning the collar on. And now you're ready for safe jetting. The trailer jetter comes with another 60 meter of drain jetting hose on a portable reel. You can connect your main reel to mini reel with this quick coupler. Make sure you hear the click sound and make sure your hose is connected with the mini reel. Now, make sure your ball valve is in off position on your mini reel. You can go back to the main reel and you can turn the ball valve on. Aussie drain jetters are very effective pressure washer. It comes with the washdown kit. You can connect the main reel with the washdown wand